In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable cursor AI suggestions. If you've been seeing ghost text or code completing itself when you don't want it to, this walkthrough will help you quiet things down so you stay fully in control. First, make sure the Cursor AI application is installed on your computer. The steps in this video take place inside Cursor itself, so you'll want it ready to go before we begin. If you can open it from your applications list or your start menu, you're all set. Next, open the Cursor application on your computer. Give it a moment to load your workspace. You don't need any project open for this. We're heading straight into settings. Inside Cursor, look for the gear icon. It's the universal symbol for preferences, usually tucked into a corner of the window. Click the gear icon to open the controls you need. Now, click Settings. This will bring up Cursor's full preferences panel, where all editor and AI behavior can be adjusted. In the Settings window, look along the left side for the menu of categories. Find the Tab section and click it. This area controls how the Tab key behaves and how suggestions appear and are accepted as you type. Within the Tab settings, click Partial Accepts. Turning this off prevents Cursor from inserting only part of a suggestion when you tap Tab. If you've ever nudged the Tab key and suddenly had a chunk of code appear, this is the setting that stops that behavior so nothing is accepted unless you intend it. Next, click Suggestions while commenting. Disabling this keeps AI suggestions from popping up when you're inside comment blocks or documentation. That way, your comments stay clean and you won't see completions intruding where you're just trying to explain your code. Finally, click Whitespace Only Suggestions. This prevents suggestions from appearing when you've only added spaces, new lines, or indentation. It's a small change that makes a big difference in reducing visual noise while you format or think through your next line. That's it. With partial accepts, suggestions while commenting, and whitespace only suggestions turned off in the tab section, Cursor will stop offering those ambient completions that can interrupt your flow. The changes take effect right away, and you can always return to the same settings to re-enable any option later if your preferences change. Thanks for following along. With these adjustments, your editor will stay focused on what you type when you type it, giving you a quieter, more deliberate coding experience.